Welcome to the laboratories of Eden Bioscience, a plant technology company dedicated to helping growers produce healthier crops with improved yields. Eden is located in Bothell, Washington, in the heart of one of the country's largest bioscience and technology regions. Eden is bringing new technology to agriculture, beginning with Harpin, the active ingredient in Eden's first product, Messenger. Harpin is a naturally occurring protein that was discovered by Dr. Zhang-Min Wei and his colleagues at Cornell University in the early 1990s. Dr. Wei is now Chief Scientific Officer at Eden, where he and his team of highly trained researchers continue to discover and develop new ways to harness novel proteins for the benefit of agriculture worldwide.
After the messenger application, the Harpin will be released from the messenger product and then will trigger a series of response, including biochemical and a plant physiological response. And that response will lead to a healthier plant. So-called healthier plant will be characterized by tolerance to stress condition and better growth, and eventually leads to the greater production.
Messenger is a unique type of crop production tool that we call a plant health regulator. Messenger initiates certain biochemical activities within the plant that regulate overall plant health. As a result, plants are healthier and they produce larger yields with improved quality and longer shelf life. The Harpin protein in Messenger is derived from a naturally occurring protein. When Messenger is sprayed onto a plant, the Harpin protein binds to the plant's Harpin receptors. These early warning receptors react as if Harpin were a pathogen attacking the plant. This stimulates the plant to react in its defense and to speed up growth. Within minutes, the plant sends a signal or message throughout all plant tissues, which starts a sequence of physiological and biochemical reactions. This reaction activates both growth and stress defense pathways. The growth response is the most pronounced. Messenger amplifies the plant's natural growth processes, which result in increased nutrient uptake, photosynthesis, vigor, and reproductive responses. The stress defense response increases plant tolerance to stresses caused by the environment, physiological shifts in plant growth, and biological agents such as disease pathogens. This response depends on the type, severity, and duration of the stress condition. The combination of responses leads to improved overall plant health, which in turn reinforces the plant's ability to generate growth and stress defense responses. This reinforcing circle of increased plant health results in many valuable benefits demonstrated by messenger-treated plants. First is improved quality, meaning higher grades, fewer culls, and more marketable yield. Healthier messenger-treated plants also consistently produce increased yields. And fresh market crops such as strawberries have an extended shelf life, which improves their shippability and results in fewer market adjustments. Research at Eden Bioscience is an ongoing process. Laboratory scientists have identified a Harpin receptor protein, which will lead to new product development as well as new formulations, such as a seed treatment product. Compatibility studies are also an important part of laboratory research. Harpin is tested for compatibility with other agricultural products. Beyond the laboratory, university and independent researchers in both small plot replicated trials as well as in large acreage fields conduct hundreds of field development trials each year. These field trials are conducted to determine the best timing, product rates, and application methods that fit current agricultural practices, integrated pest management, and crop production programs. Messenger is manufactured at Eden facilities in Bothell, assuring the product is carefully monitored for quality. Both product development and manufacturing of Messenger are multiple-step processes. The product begins with the growth of a Harpin-producing bacterium in industrial fermentation vats. Heat is used to kill the bacteria. Their cell walls are then broken down to release the Harpin protein. The liquid product is concentrated and sprayed onto a food-grade carrier, then dried to produce the final product, Messenger. Each batch of Messenger is subjected to strict quality assurance tests. The amount of Harpin in each batch is verified, and product solubility in various types of water is also measured. Samples are tested on a growth medium to assure there's no product contamination. In addition, each batch of Messenger is tested for efficacy before it's packaged. Tobacco plants are sprayed with Messenger, then inoculated with tobacco mosaic virus. Treated leaves must have 60% or fewer disease lesions to meet the quality control standard. Lima bean plants are used to measure increases in root mass. After treatment with Messenger, plants continue to grow for 6 days. The roots are then dried and weighed. To meet the standard, Messenger-treated roots must weigh 10% or more than roots from untreated plants. And finally, physical properties of the finished product, including bulk density and particle size, are measured. Batches that meet quality and efficacy standards are packaged, labeled, and boxed for shipment to your local supplier. From basic research to field trials to strict quality assurance, Eden Bioscience is dedicated to providing growers with a consistent quality product to help them produce healthier, higher yielding, better quality crops.
Clearly, as far as the new plantings are concerned, it is remarkable in how effective it has been in enhancing the growth of those new plantings in comparison with the control plot, which basically was treated identically except for the Messenger.
When applying Messenger, growers can be assured they're using an environmentally friendly product that has virtually no toxicity.
There's no residue issue, there's no contamination to the groundwater, there's no contamination to the soil.
For innovative technology and its environmental safety, Messenger has received the EPA Presidential Green Chemistry Award. Eden Bioscience, the plant technology company that brings growers new tools to produce healthier, higher yielding, and higher value crops.